Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus X sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Messages for Taurus X sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay. Under the deck, Six of Cups, Nine of Swords, Knight of Wands and Three of Wands. I think lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. You're still waiting on your person. Maybe you're still waiting for stability, for marriage from your person side. And this person is very, very passionate about you, but there is no stability. They always in and out of your life. But this person has a lot of passion towards you, but no stability at all. That's why you're feeling depressed, you're feeling anxiety. Your sleeping patterns are also disturbing. And Six of Cups, because you keep thinking about them a lot. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding about your person. And for some, you both have strong soulmate or past life connection with each other. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles and Five of Wands. I'm saying you have multiple options, Taurus. Especially in this current relationship, there is no partnership between you and your person. That's why a lot of drama is going. Five of Wands energy. Lot of arguments or differences between you and your person. This relationship is in very slow moving. Knight of Pentacles. So then present death, Hierophant and Lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Definitely there is love, but there is no commitment, there is no marriage. I think you want marriage from your person and but they are not offering any promise or any marriage. That could be the issue here. That's why you want to end relationship with this person even though it is very painful for you. You are in the process of making decision, Taurus, but there is love between both of you, but there is no commitment. Then future Knight of Cups, Judgment and King of Swords. I think someone new is coming into your life to offer their cup of love to you, but they are also in slow moving energy. I am seeing you have multiple options. One person could be past and another person could be new. For some it could be only one person, depending upon your situation. But you in future you will make some decision regarding this relationship. Judgment card is here, and for some maybe one person in this connection going through some legal issues also, but in future you will be in this energy. You will straightforwarded in nature and you're very honest. Definitely you want clarity. If they come back again, you will ask clarity about your relationship from this side. Yes, you want clarity. I think you are thinking through your logical mind right now. Yes, you are stubborn. You will become stubborn in future. Yes. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Taurus. Then we will get more clarity. Knight of Cups, Judgment, Eight of Cups and Queen of Swords. For some, they walked away from this connection. They're not. I think you both are stubborn. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Communication terms between you and your person are not good. And Judgment, they are also in the process of making decision. And Knight of Cups, but they have romantic feelings for you, but there is no stability. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Their current feelings and intentions. Taurus. Okay. Three of Swords, Two of Swords, Star. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Intentions. Wow. And under the deck, 10 of Pentacles, the Hermit, the Fool, and Justice. They want second chances with you, no doubt about it. They want brand new beginnings. Right now, your person going through some spiritual awakening process, and they want to offer stability. So let's see their current feelings. 3 of Swords, 2 of Swords, and the Star. Your person is at some crossroads, guys. They have to make some decision regarding this relationship, but right now they can't. They are indecisive. But they're missing you. They want you in their life. They want you in their life because 3 of Swords. They're heartbroken without you. They're wishing for this connection. They still have hopes on this connection because the Star is here. Then their intentions, 10 of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Sun. So their emotions are running high because they have so much love for you because the Ace of Cups is here. And even though for those who have little arguments or little fightings between you and your person, they are realizing you both. And for some, kids also involved in this connection. So in intentions or actions wise, definitely they are realizing your worth. They are missing you so much. Definitely they will make a move because they will ask second chance. Definitely they want second chances. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're waiting for right time. Right now your person is healing but thinking about you a lot. Yes, they're juggling. That's why they're healing. They're taking rest. Lot of issues. But I think a lot of fightings or arguments between you and your person, guys. You are on your power. I think you are very stubborn. You don't want to make any move. If you have feelings, then also you don't want to make any move. You are waiting for their move. There is some communication, text is coming, and yeah, kids also involved in this connection. I think you are also at some crossroads. You both are confusing because there is no clarity in this relationship. They also have some problems in their life. From their side also there is no clarity. So let's see mutual energies. Then we will get it. Okay. Yeah, juggling. You both are juggling, guys. You both have no clarity. Yeah, you both are not opening up right now, but thinking about each other. Definitely both are juggling. You both thinking about each other, but there is no clarity. You both have to make some decision regarding this relationship. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Third party involved. Yeah, for some third party involved in this connection. Third party could be the issue here. Sorry, guys. True love. And I have too much going on in my life. I still love you. So the messages are third party involved. True love. I have too much going on in my life. And I still love you. So these are the messages. Take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn energy. So if you're doing consistent hard work, definitely your hard work is paying off. If not, it will, especially new moon in Capricorn. And a fairy climax approaches full moon in Aries. It came reverse. So definitely it will take some time for climax. For clarity also, because right now you both are juggling, you both are defensive. Yeah, you both want each other, but there is no clarity. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.